Welcome to Voyage Ocean. Today we are exploring one of Wales' hidden gems, the breathtaking Llanberis Waterfall. Whether you are a nature lover, hiker, or just looking for a serene escape, this place has something for everyone. It is located in the heart of Snowdonia National Park. Llanberis Waterfall offers a tranquil setting with lush green surroundings and stunning views. Getting here is half the adventure. The hike to the waterfall is perfect for all levels of adventurers. Along the way, you will be treated to panoramic views of the mountains, lakes, and the rich Welsh countryside. As you approach the waterfall, the soothing sound of rushing water welcomes you. This spot is perfect for relaxing, enjoying a picnic, or simply appreciating the natural beauty. The waterfall isn't just about the views, the atmosphere here is incredibly peaceful. You can feel the cool mist in the air, and it's the perfect place to unwind. Llanberis isn't just about the waterfall. There are plenty of activities nearby, like the iconic Snowdon mountain railway or the Slate museum, which give you a taste of local history and adventure. If you are into hiking, there are multiple trails nearby, and for the adventurers, the summit of Snowdon is within reach. Here's a tip for your visit. Bring comfortable shoes as the paths can get a bit slippery near the waterfall. Don't forget your camera. Trust me, you will want to capture this. The best time to visit is during the spring or after a good rainfall when the waterfall is at its fullest. And if you are lucky, you might catch a rainbow in the mist. That's it for today's adventure. I hope this video inspires you to visit Llanberis Waterfall. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel adventures. Let me know in the comments if you have been here or if you plan